This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by making sure you can undo mistakes, so back up now to iCloud or to your computer. Once done, open Settings and tap your name. You'll need the Apple ID and password that's currently signed in. Disable Find My iPhone so the account can be removed. Tap Find My, toggle off, and enter the password. Make sure backup's completed. If not, wait until the status shows a recent date before proceeding to sign out. Next, sign out. Open Settings, tap your name, scroll down and choose Sign Out. You'll be asked which data to keep on the device. Toggle contacts, calendars, reminders as needed since they won't merge automatically. Enter the Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and confirm sign out. This fully removes the iCloud account from the phone. If the old account had purchase restrictions, make sure you know which apps or media may require reauthorization with a new Apple ID. Finally, sign in with the new Apple ID at the top of Settings and enable the iCloud services you want to use. Once signed in, verify photos, contacts, and iCloud Drive are syncing. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication. Approve on a trusted device. Make sure purchases and subscriptions are linked correctly to the new ID. If you run into problems, check the password, Wi-Fi, or cellular connection, and that activation lock is fully off before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.